welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a get ready with me. Today we'll be doing my hair together. As you guys can see, I have this gorgeous, oh my god, this very gorgeous trendy hairstyle in my head. This hair was sent to me from Yolissa hair. I'll leave all the details linked down below, and it came styled just like this, you guys. The braids, the ponytail, the baby hair, everything came pre-styled. You guys know I cannot braid. Certain styles I suck at. I just like to do a basic middle part, basic side part, etc. But the Yolissa hair really snapped with this, you guys. This hair is absolutely beautiful, as you guys can see. So if you guys are interested in watching me install this pre-styled wig from Yolissa hair, then keep on watching. This video is in partnership with Yolissa hair. They sent me all these goodies along with a gorgeous curly pre-styled wig for me to try out. And I'll be honest, you guys, sponsored or not, this wig is actually beautiful. I'm happy that it came pre-styled because it's perfect for those who don't know how to braid, like me, those who don't know how to style, those who are, you know, just ready to throw their wig on and go. So the lace came cut already. It already came, now it's bleached. It came with a strap for protection and all that. So let's hop right into the video. I'm starting off with my ball cap method. You guys have seen me do this so many times, so I don't have to explain it to you guys at all. But I will say this time, I don't know why, but my ball cap did not slip back. Usually after a couple days of wearing a wig, my ball cap will slip back, but this did not happen this time. I wore this wig for a total of 4 days. And then I took it off. Oh my god, y'all, I love this wig. Y'all see me on Instagram looking like a baddie in this wig. If you guys are interested in purchasing this exact wig, I'll leave it linked down below. I do not have a coupon code, but Yolissa here always has sales and stuff, so y'all can check out their website, Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever. Only thing I know is that they do track the link sales. So like if y'all use my link to purchase this wig, then of course they'll see that. But I do not have a coupon code, unfortunately. But I mean, shit, it's all right. Now this wig install kind of reminded me of like a wig reinstall. You know, when you don't have no lace. But this was perfect because I literally, like, all I had to do was lay it down. It was kind of like they already did the hot comb and wax stick portion, y'all. This wig is ready to go, ready to just throw on your head. And they even gave me baby hairs, which you guys know I used to struggle with, but I'm doing way better. So as y'all can see, bam, bow, 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 bow. Yeah, I was feeling myself already. The wig size was perfect. I did need to cut off some ear tabs a little bit. But other than that, the wig size was perfect. The wig fit comfortable. It was very snug. Like, this wig ate down, you guys. Like I said, I'll leave them linked down below. I don't want to talk you guys' head off, so I'm going to let y'all enjoy the rest of the video. And leave a comment down below if you like this wig or the idea of pre-styled wigs. I think this is perfect, y'all. I literally did my hair within like 30 minutes, and I used about 5 to 6 layers of glue for this heat. But thank you again to Yolissa for sending me this gorgeous wig. 10 out of 10, y'all. The lace on this wig is undetectable, as y'all can see right now. Like, HD lace, clear, look like it's growing out of your scalp. So I'll leave them linked down below if you guys want to check them out. Thank you guys for always tuning in and supporting me and watching my videos. I love you guys tremendously, okay? So I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me.